I just received a box of fresh sourdough products from a small bakery that I order from that ships fresh to your door. And I just wanted to show you a trick that if you're going to freeze your sourdough, what to do before you freeze it so that when it thaws out, it's all perfect and maintains the integrity of each slice or tortilla or whatever you ordered. So let me just show you. Here's a bag of tortillas, freshly baked and shipped to me. So before I freeze it, what I'll do is I'll pop out this stack of tortillas and I'll just very quickly separate them. See how they stick just ever so slightly, and that's because, again, they're shipped freshly baked. So just separate so they're nice and separate, and then you pop them back into the bag and get all the air out of the bag and reseal it. And then you're going to freeze it like that, and it will thaw perfectly with no sticking.